You want candy? Sit well. Hands here. Here. Now sit well. Yes, like this. Right. Hello. Julie, sit well. Hello. Speak louder. Hello.
Hello.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Sit well. Sit well like this. Yes, hands here. Hands on the desk. Okay. What's your name? My name is. What's your name? Speak louder. Julie.
Julie.
How old are you, Julie? 2 years old, 3 years old, 4 years old. I'm 4. I'm 4. Where are you from? You're from Vietnam. Well done. And how are you today? Happy, angry, or hungry? I'm hungry. All right, you're hungry. Okay, sit well. Sit well. What's this action? Stand up. What's this? Sit down. Give me 5. Thank you. Let's talk about some school things. What's this? It's a bag. What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's it's a book. That's right. 5. What's this? It's a pencil. Give me 5. Good job. What's this? They are crayons. Crayons. Look here. What's this? It's a desk. 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 All right. Give me 5. Sit well. What letter is it? Y. Z. That's right. All right. What is this? Zero. What is this? Zipper. That's right. And what is this? Yak. Yak. Where is yak? Over there. Right. It's over there. What color is this? Green. Purple. Orange. What color is this? White. Black. All right. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye. All right. Go back.